In this video, we're going to see Bernie Sanders on his Fight Oligarchy tour that he's doing all around the United States absolutely go in and destroy Donald Trump and Elon Musk, and furthermore set out the blueprint on what it is that Democrats need to be doing to be able to take charge of what's going on in the United States of America. Let's watch it together, and then towards the end, I'm going to give you guys my thoughts.
So we are here to say loudly and clearly that in our great nation, we will not accept oligarchy. We will not accept authoritarianism. We will not accept kleptocracy. We're here to make it clear that we're going to fight back and we are going to win. For years, I have been talking about how America has been moving toward an oligarchy. Well, we're no longer moving toward that oligarchy. Today, we are living in that oligarchy, and we say no. Now, one of the tools that the oligarchy is using right now is something that we have really never seen in our country's history. I will not be telling you any secrets that politicians historically lie occasionally. It has happened once or twice. People stretch the truth occasionally. It happens. But what we have never seen is the use of the big lie. The big lie in a way that we are seeing it right now. And I want you to think hard about this, that Musk spent some $270 million to help Trump get elected, and his reward is that he was made the most powerful person in the U.S. government. Let us never, ever forget that real change only occurs when ordinary people stand up against oppression and injustice. It's a line on 15 miles long. I don't care whether you are.
People are losing their jobs, they're losing their stability, they're losing their ability to afford food, and if things go the way they are, people like me who are disabled, where is that going to leave me? I can barely afford housing as it is, and then I'm going to lose my insurance.
What we got now is a government of the billionaires, by the billionaires, for the billionaires. That's what oligarchy is about. What Musk and Trump are working on right now are massive tax breaks for the wealthiest 1% over $1 trillion. And then, in order to pay for those tax breaks, they want to make horrific cuts to Medicaid, nutrition programs, and education. I don't care if you're a Republican, Democrat, or Independent. Very few people think that that makes sense.
Powerful, powerful, powerful stuff from Bernie Sanders. And before I get into the actual content of what he was speaking about in the video, I think Bernie Sanders is literally laying the blueprint for what the entire Democratic Party should be doing. If you're a Democrat, and you know what, no, scrap that, not the Democratic Party, anybody who is a lover of democracy and that takes a look at what Trump and Musk are doing and this administration, anyone who believes that it's wrong they need to be doing exactly what it is that Bernie Sanders is doing. Look at the size of that crowd. It's not even an election period, but he's managed to gather a crowd. And you know why? Because there's a common theme here. I can pretty much guarantee in that room, there's going to be Republicans as well as Democrats. I can guarantee it because there's a common cause now. There's a common cause, and the common cause is democracy. Like he said, saying no to oligarchs and oligarchy. Like there's a common cause here, and it's a really, really powerful thing. So absolutely anyone, if you're on the left, if you're on the right, if you're down the center, I'm telling you without a shadow of a doubt, everybody should be doing what it is that Senator Bernie Sanders is doing. Now, to get into the content of actually what he was speaking about, you guys, if you are subscribed to this channel, if you're not, make sure you go below and subscribe. We'd love to have you as part of the family. But you guys will know, and we've discussed and we've spoke about it plenty of times, what this current administration is doing is absolutely mind-boggling. Never seen anything like this in my entire life. The country where it is that I live in, the UK, we do have our problems, but never once have I seen it get like this. Although I do believe if Nigel Farage and Reform, which is one of the newer parties on the far right here in the UK, if they were to ever get in power, I wouldn't be surprised to see them do stuff like this. But it seems like there's a little bit, there's a bit of a way off in regards to that. But I've never seen anything like this before. And what it is that we're doing is we're seeing an administration where the two main individuals, Elon Musk and Donald Trump, are utilizing their positions of power to enrich themselves and enrich their families. We're seeing Elon Musk is consistently getting new contracts for his companies. We're seeing Donald Trump setting up crypto coins and setting up crypto coins. But the reality is we don't know what he's doing with these crypto coins. He could be getting paid from foreign countries and you and me would have absolutely no clue about it whatsoever. He could be utilizing these things to be able to buy influence all around. Individuals can be utilizing these crypto coins of his to be able to buy influence and buy favor with Donald Trump. We've never seen anything like this before. And this is the biggest issue and the biggest problem with what it is that we've got going on. Senator Bernie Sanders, in my opinion, has laid out the blueprint of what needs to happen. Regardless of who it is that you are, you need to be taking action and you need to be joining in what he's doing. I believe every single Democrat should be touring the country, especially right now, while Republicans are refusing to attend town halls. We need to be getting out there. Once again, I keep saying we, even though I live over the pond, but that's the reason why I have this channel. That's the reason why I'm creating these videos, because I do believe in democracy. And I'm going to do everything that it is that I can do to utilize my voice as an outsider to encourage the right thing to happen and take place. Senator Bernie Sanders is literally laying out the blueprint of what needs to happen. And if you're listening to this video and you can hear my voice, listen, most definitely you need to literally be taking action too. It's time to get together, organize with people in your local community. That's the way that it is that you need to go about this, exactly the same way Bernie Sanders is doing. Change needs to happen because I honestly, if you think about it, we're a month, nearly 2 months into this administration, and things have never been as bad as they are right now. So it's time for change. Let me know your guys' thoughts in the comment section below this video. And also, let me know this. I know that at one point, Senator Bernie Sanders, he was in the race to become president at one point. I'm curious. I need to go back and do the research. But what happened? Why is it that he wasn't able to run for president? I've seen bits and bobs. But I'm intrigued to hear your guys' opinion in the comment section below this video. But yeah, let me know your guys' thoughts. And as always, if you took value from this video, do me a favor, go below, hit the thumbs up button. And if you're interested in an outsider's opinion when it comes to American politics, go below, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you get a notification every time I upload a brand new video. And I'll see you guys in the next one.